Hey guys, I got one thing to say to you.
Why you always lying? Oh my God, stop lying.
So, today guys, we are going to, we're gonna do a wasted one. Wasted. So this is gonna take a little bit time to load, so. My cousin's over there sitting, listening to music. I'm making a video. That's my cousin. That's my younger cousin in the background. Oh, shush! Okay, here we go. Hurt. Oh no, I'm wasted. So I got one more to say to you.
And his name is John Cena.
We're gonna do the turn down for what one?
Turn down for what?
Dun, 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 dun. What else should we play? Should we play Sims? Let's try Roblox. No. Let's try Sandbox. Sandbox, guys, it's pretty cool because you get to like make pictures. I did the fidget spinner. Every single one. I did the computer. Okay. You guys can watch it. It's my horrible sister. There you go. And we did a bird. So there's my bird. It moves. I did a guitar. I did this one. What else did I do? I did the pistol. I did this. It's pretty cool. That. Music League.
Oh my God, you're on my hair. You're on my hair.
Showed you all the rest.
Ow!
I don't know, Shani. What should I do today for this?
That one.
These peoples. Yeah.
7 probably. You go like this.
I don't know what this.
What?
guys, we're gonna be doing, I don't know what this is. My cousin just picked it for me. He's also a YouTuber. His name's Funtime Freddy
360.
360.
360.
That's my little sister.
Big sister.
Weird sister.
Amazing sister.
Amazingly weird sister.
Being normal is boring.
I know, right?
You're normal.
Gosh.
No, I don't want her to have to paint because she's worked.
Who? Who's coming? Grandma, say hi. I'm on a video. Okay, no. Wait 1 second, guys. I have one more question for you. I have one more question for you.
And his name is John C.
And are you done making a video?
Nope.
Because I need to make mine.
Why can't you do? Oh!
Because I was already here.
Tyler J. Marie Martin.
Because I need to do my song. Okay?
Can I listen to it?
You can pause that, the recording.
I know.
Do it.
I'm almost done. I'm just doing this one. Which I don't
That
know
one
which
doesn't load.
Yes, it does.
Which one is it?
Maybe. No. It's the wasted one.
Okay, that one does.